Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my MK6 Golf and the issue with it, which is the thermostat is stuck open, which means that it's constantly pushing coolant into the system. It's not really a bad issue compared to being it stuck closed, but it does need to be repaired after a while because it gives you lower fuel economy, and over time it'll ruin your catalytic converter. So yeah, a normal car should get to operating temperature, which is 90 degrees. Should get to 90 degrees by 1 minute, about one and a half minutes, 2 minutes. That's most cars. So I'll show you how long it takes to get to 90 degrees operating temperature on my car. So I'm going to start the engine in 1 second. Alright, I'm going to start the engine. And then, I don't know how I'm going to time this at the exact same time. Alright, I'll just add a second on at the end, or 2 seconds. But anyway, you'll get the image anyway. Alright guys, I'm going to start the engine now. Alright guys, started now. Okay. So, we're waiting for it to get to 90 degrees. Let's see how long it takes. So, a normal car will take you 1 minute 30 or 2 minutes. I reckon, I've been sat here for half an hour sometimes. It's still not even reached 90 degrees. So, I wonder how long it's going to take this time. So one of the main disadvantages is that it will, when it's winter, your heat won't work as well because it's not at 90 degrees, and the way heater works is it pulls in heat from the engine, so it's not hard to make its own heat. That's how the heater system works. So you won't get any immediate heating or anything for a long time until it's actually 90 degrees. That's a bad thing. Even if you close off the vents and stuff, it doesn't work. And so yeah, so we're at 1 minute already. The needle's not moved a single bit. And yeah, I'm gonna let this run for a bit. I'm in the parking lot, but I'm gonna keep it down a bit because it is illegal to have your engine on and be on a phone. So yeah, well, I'm technically on a camera, so yeah, I don't know the rules of that, but yeah. So as you can see, we're nearly at 2 minutes. We're still at 0 degrees. So it's going to take a very long time, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and play, pause play till it gets to like halfway point maybe. Let's see how long it takes to get there. Just in case you think the timing's wrong, and then the time's at the top as well, 5 PM, so you can check with that as well. Still at 0 degrees at 3 minutes, very poor. A normal engine would have warmed up by now. Allah, so that means my thermostat is stuck open. It's letting coolant in even though it should be closed when you start up the car, but it's not because it's stuck open. So I need to get a new thermostat. But yeah, that's the issue I have. It's not a big issue, but it is an issue. So I'm going to get it sorted anyway. So look at that. Now let's see how long it takes to get to 90 degrees. The needle's not even moving. Let's see, let's zoom in and see if it's moved at all. Tiny bit maybe. I'll come back to it in a few minutes. As you can see, 7 minutes on, still at 0 degrees. And just to let you know that the engine is on, I'll rev it for you. As you can see, so still at 0 degrees. Struggling very hard. Yeah, so I don't know how long it's going to take. Like I said before, I've been sat in the car for sometimes running the engine for nearly 40 minutes, nothing, till we got halfway, about 40 minutes I think. I just want to see how long this actually takes, so it might take a while, so I might be here for a while, so let's see how long this takes. Alright guys, we made some progress. It's 1 bar at 10 minutes. So if 90 is that, I think that's 10 degrees, 5 degrees maybe, I don't know. 90, 80, 70, 60, no, that won't work. Let's try 20s, no, 15s, I don't know, how would that work? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one's 90. Oh, it's rising quite fast now. Starting to get there, guys, it's starting to get there. After 10 minutes, slowly rising. Let me zoom in, you might have to see it actually rise. Oh, you can see it rising. taking the piss, but it's rising. You can just about see it rising tiny bit. I saw that just went down. Oh, that's rising fast now. Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. Alright, we're 11 minutes in. It's nearly 1 bar or whatever that is. Hey guys, alright guys, we're just past the halfway point at 16 minutes, so we're getting there. It's taken a very long time, but we're getting there. So we need to get to 90 for operating. So as you can tell, that's definitely a thermostat issue. So yeah. Alright guys, 21 minutes in and it's almost hit 90. Oh, it's almost hit it. Almost hit it. There you go, hit it. So it took 21 minutes and 50 seconds, we'll call it. So yeah, definitely an issue there with the thermostat, so I'll be getting that fixed. Alright guys, so that's how you know if you have a thermostat issue, and that's how long it takes for mine. It does usually take longer, but I think when I do put the AC on and stuff like that, it makes it use more engine power, which heats it up a bit, I guess. So that could have helped it. But normally, if I don't touch it at all, it'll take over half an hour. So yeah, 21 minutes is still a long time. It's very bad. Should take 2 minutes at max, maybe 3 minutes. 3 minutes at max, I'd say. 21 minutes is way too long because we have a thermostat issue. But it's better for the thermostat to be stuck open than closed, because if it's closed, if your thermostat is stuck closed, your engine will overheat, which is worse. So being stuck open and being cool is not an issue. It's not as big of the issue. So yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of wiring to do, as you can see. That's why I'm very busy. I know a lot of people have been requesting for the RCD 330 reverse camera. I've done it, but I've done the video. I need to edit it, and I've been busy with this. That's for my what do you call it, my door sills. A lot of wiring. It's a piss take. But yeah, when I first did it, I thought I blew a fuse, but I didn't blow a fuse because the next day it came back. So then I checked the fuse box as well, it was alright. So I don't know what exactly happened. Maybe Volkswagen has a built-in system to stop it. So that's what he did. And yeah, if you've not checked out my car playlist, go check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.